back to Darak Watches. I'm Derek. Today we have this Maratac Titanium SR-35 diver watch from Carlo. He wants me to change the dial to a stereo dial and a Marine Master 300 style hands. In this step, we will strip down the watch and prepare for the new dial. As you can see, this is much different from most of the Seiko watches. The chapter ring actually is fixed on the dial, so I'm using a knife to carefully remove the chapter ring from the dial. I'm using Radical to hold the dial and the chapter ring together so we can align the chapter ring to the dial better, and after that I will use a UV glue to glue the dial and the chapter ring together. As you can see, there are 4 dial pins on the dial. This is for accommodating 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock crown position. I will use a Sharpie to mark which dial pin I want to keep and cut away the rest and install the dial. Even this watch doesn't have the date window, but the movement have the date function. So I still need to adjust the time to let it snap over to the next date to indicate it's midnight, so I can replace the watch hands as 12 o'clock, so the customer won't accidentally break off the date wheel. The mod is currently done. I just need to case the watch and replace all the parts. I'm using Mobius 9501 to grease the stamp so the keyless work will work properly. I'm using a product called the Speed Lubrication to lubricate the caseback gasket. This is specially designed for caseback gasket O-rings. The job is done. This is my first time to experience the Maratac Titanium watch. I will say the build quality is very good. Thank you Carlo to send this watch in so I can experience this micro brand. And I will agree the new dial and handset combination is much more better than the original one. It looks very good. So now I'm packing up the watch with scratch resistant film and it's ready to ship. If you found this video is entertaining and educational, please like the video and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This will help out the channel a lot. There are more videos like this in my channel. Please take your time to watch them all. Thank you for your support. If you have any questions, comment, concern, or you want to order a watch just like this, please write me an email. It is contact@darakwatches.com. This has been Derek from Darak Watches. I'll see you next time. Bye.